want you to do is imagine that you just finished teaching a workshop and that everyone is clamoring over to come and get your attention, and a line is created because they want to join your team or your market center. Am I talking to the right people today? Well, as Jesse said, I've literally grown up at Keller Williams. I've been an agent on a team. I've been a rainmaker of a team. And over the years, I learned that I was passionate about profit share. Are there any other crazies in the room? Passionate about profit share. That opened a door of opportunity into assistant team leader, productivity coach, team leader of the market center, and then market center investor, and now master faculty trainer for Keller Williams University. See, over the years, I have held many power walks where we bring someone who's not yet with Keller Williams into our environment and walk them around the office. Have you? Who's hosted, show of hands, have you ever hosted a career night or a daytime power walk? Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to imagine that you're doing that with me now. We're going to walk through the market center. We're going to come to the wall of all of our smiling faces of agents. And here's what I say. 1 out of 5 survive their first 2 years in real estate. Why do you think that is? And then my guests will answer the question. And then I tell them the good news. The good news is here in our market center, 4 out of 5 succeed. It's because of our training, our coaching, and our consulting. And I'm telling you now, when they reached out and asked if I would be a part of the pilot launch program of the rookie real estate agent, I was like, instantly reply, I'm all in. And when we hosted this workshop and we went through all of the information, it was so powerful and impactful that at lunchtime, the recruits in the room came and said, this is it. What do we have to do? We're ready to join. So I wanted to take a moment and just highlight a few things for you today in the rookie real estate agent. Now, this particular one is the leadership guide, and you can find this on kellerinc.com. On the back of it, it actually tells you exactly how you can go and interview or invite someone to your workshop. It says, now, there's an ultimate roadmap for new agents to master the basics, launch their business, and outlast any challenge. Does that not sound like a great invitation? So, in your own words, what I'd like you to do is think about how you would extend this invitation to someone. Maybe it would sound like this. I'm hosting a workshop to help agents who are newer in the business avoid the pitfalls. I'd love for you to come and be my guest. Now, in the workshop itself, there are 5 reasons to fall in love with real estate. The first one is freedom and flexibility. Who got into real estate because you didn't want to be told what time to wake up, what time to go to work, or what time you were going to be off? Okay, you're with me, right? We wanted to be able to have that entrepreneurial spirit come alive. Number 2, you get to help people with the greatest asset purchase, sometimes of their entire lives. I don't know about you, 23 years in the business, and it never gets old. That second that you give someone the keys to their first home, it's sacred. It's like you were there when someone was saying, I do, and the other agreed and said, I do too. Or the moment when a baby is born, home ownership is a gift that we get to give someone. And so to be able to pause and just touch on that fact, I continuously fall in love with real estate because it is one of the greatest asset purchases of their lives. It can change the trajectory of their entire family. Number 3, low cost of entry. You see, I'm dyslexic. I have ADHD, and I dropped out of college. And I remember being in that moment of time where I thought, should I go back to school and get a degree so that I could hopefully make this much a year? And ultimately, I decided to join Keller Williams. And I can tell you now, I'm so grateful I made that decision. But think about the people who go into so much student loan debt in a career and in a way that they may not ever get into action with the degree that they have. So real estate is a low cost of entry. Next, there's no financial ceiling. We've ripped the lid off and we've told people you can make as much as you possibly want to. You get out of this what you put into it. Number 5, there's an inside opportunity to invest. Now, for me personally, I've received over $200,000 of profit share, and I've purposely used that money as down payment money on investment properties strategically from the Millionaire Real Estate Investor Strategies. And so being able to explain that to people is a huge value. So you have your people in the room, and now they're experiencing all the different reasons and whys of what makes us unique as a company. Now, another portion of the workshop is the myth understanding. So very similar to the Millionaire Real Estate Agent, there are myth understandings. The first one here is before I take action, I feel like I need to know everything. So write this down. When you're hosting your workshop, have a printed training calendar. Because many times those brand new agents or newer in the business need to see an actual printed training calendar so they know that they can rely on you for education and that they will literally see like, okay, this day is for forms, this day is for conversations. The next misunderstanding is I'm not a salesperson. I don't know what to say or do. Well, we've got the answer to that, don't we? Productivity coaching, fast track through MAPS coaching. We have fantastic, phenomenal training that's going to teach you what to say, how to say it, and when to say it, and who to say it to. So the truth is, sales is a skill. You can learn what to say and do. Myth number 3, I don't have a local network. Many times this is something that holds people back. It's a limiting belief. Has anyone ever started real estate in a town that you weren't from? Show of hands. Yeah, I did too. And you know what I learned? Is that Keller Williams was the network right from the very beginning. You see, we're the largest army of real estate professionals in the world. Hello? Let's try this again. We are the largest real estate company in the world. Okay, I'm glad you're with me. Now what I'd like you to say, repeat after me. I'm a part of the world's largest referral network. Say it with me. I'm a part of the world's largest referral network. I see a few mouths that didn't move. Okay, with a smile on your face, let's do it all together. I promise it's going to make you more money. Smile. Let me see you. Let's say it together. I'm a part of the world's largest referral network. Now turn and look in the eyes of someone else and say it out loud. I'm a part of the world's largest referral network. See, sometimes we have to be reminded of the truth, because it is. And so through command referrals, we've had agents build fantastic businesses. And one of the things we've done is we actually added it to every appointment we have with a buyer or a seller. We always ask the question, can I have a volunteer in the front row? Someone willing to help me out? Thank you. So pretend that I came over to your house. We're going to talk about selling your home, okay? So what's your first name? Amy, thank you for having me over this evening. Before we dive into the strategies of how we're going to help you sell your home, I have one question. Would it be okay if I asked you? Do you own real estate anywhere else? Yes. You do? Fantastic. Whereabouts? Fantastic. So in Indiana, because I'm a part of the world's largest referral network, I'd be happy to connect you with a local agent there if ever you're curious about what the value of that property is or if you'd like to buy more. Now, I have another question for you. If you were to buy real estate outside of this area, where might it be? Florida. Why? Because it's warm. That's fantastic. So I can hook you up there as well. I have fantastic professionals in the ecosystem of Keller Williams. Now let's talk about selling your home. See, reminding your clients and just asking the simple question, do you own real estate somewhere else? Might that generate a potential referral opportunity for you? Say yes. Yes. The other way that we're going to teach and train newer agents is how to build a vendor list. So I call mine Rebecca Recommends. And on the Rebecca Recommends list, we have painters, we have plumbers, we have roofers, window washers, landscapers, right? So we're teaching the newer agent how to come from contribution by building out a powerful vendor list. The truth is, no one does have a network until they build one, and we can teach them how. Now, here are a couple tangible ways that I've found over the years to help fill a room. So the next time that you're thinking about building your team, growing your market center, or you're getting really serious about profit share, I want you to think about this. Well, let's do it in 3 steps. Step 1, pick a date. The rookie real estate agent comes with a book. It also comes with a workshop manual, and you can bring in a trainer or you can look through the facilitator guide and host your own workshop. It's designed in such a way that you can host it for a 1-day experience, and there's an optional mega agent panel Q&A that you can host at the end. Now, once you've picked a date, then your invitations are going to go out. And here's what I've learned. I gamify everything. So when I held the career night, the goal was to get 30 people in the room. Well, I did that. So then the next time it was to get 40 people in the room. And the team and I did that. So then we said, you know what, this is crazy. We just need to set a goal of 60 people in the room. And I'd like to share a couple of ways in which we filled the room. Would that be helpful? Okay, so step number 1, tell your agents. If you're an agent who's wanting to build a team, go around your market center and tell your office leadership and tell everyone in your market center that you are looking for talent. Tell them that they can send anyone they know who's potentially newer in the business or thinking about getting into the business to come to the workshop that you're hosting. Number 2, don't forget about Facebook. A Facebook event is really powerful because it actually does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Facebook events will actually send reminders on your behalf. Facebook events will actually remind them if they haven't RSVP'd or if it says, I may be going or I definitely am going. The Facebook algorithm will also do some work for you. If they say, I'm interested in this event, then it will push it out to their friends on Facebook. The next one is Eventbrite. Now, this one was really interesting because I had a really full room for career night. And I pulled the room and I just said, how did you hear about this opportunity? And the number 1 was Eventbrite. Eventbrite will actually suggest your event based on their search. So if they've been searching, how much does a real estate agent make in their first 2 years? How much does it cost to become a real estate agent? Eventbrite, on your behalf, is going to push your event in front of them and say, may we suggest you attend this event? The other one, though, that was super surprising was attending job fairs and specifically college and university campuses. They call this tabling. So they give you a little table, you set it up, and I just said, win a free copy of this book, enter to win. And so on a piece of paper, they're filling it out, their name, their number, and everyone has a chance to win this book. Everyone got an invitation to come to the workshop. And the thing that surprised me the most is that I assumed that the people that would engage me and walk up to me and say, hey, tell me more about real estate, because they were thinking about getting into the business. But I was wrong. It was already licensed agents that didn't have training, that didn't have support, that were already licensed but just didn't know what to do next. And from that group of people, we were able to invite them into our market center, and it was a no-brainer. So I would highly recommend, if you are looking to be purposeful about building your profit share opportunity, you are a market center investor or owner or leader, and you're wanting to just fill the room with your career nights, or during the daytime, we would call them career tours. Come and get a behind the scenes tour of the most productive real estate company in the county. This workshop has literally given us an opportunity to be able to give people a sense of who we are, the value of our training and our coaching. And I would highly recommend that this is something that should absolutely show up on your calendar in the next 60 days. So if you're interested in anything Keller Williams University, you're wanting to partner to bring value and education to your market centers, I would be honored to partner with you. Once again, my name's Rebecca Del Pozo, Keller Williams University Master Faculty Trainer. Have a great day, everyone.